did you know I forgot to put on lashes? I know there was something weird about this whole look. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Estelle. So today I'll be slaying this look for you guys. I achieved this look using just two shadows. Yes, two shadows. And if you want to see how I achieved this look, if it's haven't, please do stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel, help me get to 1,000 subscribers by September, which is my birthday. And share my video. Love this video. If you watch and enjoy what you watched, please don't forget to like the video. And yeah guys, without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. I love you guys. So today is a very simple look, straight to the point, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, you that is watching. So to prep my eyes, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Concealer in the shade Honey. Sorry if you're hearing any noise. My step down makes a lot of noise. I use it to step down this whole light here, and the AC is on, so ignore any noise. I'm going to use this Zulu palette, and I'll go into this yellow shade here. I'll place that on my transition area. I don't know how this will look. I'll repeat the same step on these eyes. I'm going to use this shade right here. It's called Nubia from the Juvia's Place Magic Palette. I'm going to use a flat brush. You can use any one you have. I'm just using this color to follow the line of my crease, like I'm cutting my crease, but I'm not. I know I said it's two shadows, but this yellow is not popping up. Okay, wait a minute, let's try it again. The yellow is not, like, I don't want to dip into any other palette, so this palette I'm going to take this orange, very light, like just, you know, and I'm going to just define it like I'm going to use this Beauty Bakery Lollipop liner. I'd wanted to go in with a brown, but let's use a black liner. Okay guys, I use the Honeydew Me Up by NYX. I'm using that to prep my skin. I'm going to use this NARS Radiance Longwear Foundation in the shade Marquise. Yeah, I think Marquise. I don't know how it's pronounced, but that's the most I can do. leave a comment on how you feel about this look, and I'm going to be posting more of this 2 eyeshadow look. If you guys want and like it, let me know in the comment section. You know I reply to all your comments, so keep me engaged in the comment section. I love to read you guys' comments. So let me know, guys. I'll be dropping videos like it's hot. I'm going to be baking using the NYX setting powder, and I'll use this part of the sponge. I'm going to set my whole face using the Rimmel powder. I'm going to use this NYX No Filter finishing powder in the shade Mahogany. Using my Juvia's Place blush palette, I'm going to dip into this shade here called Toby. My lips, I'm going to use this drugstore lip liner, and I'm going to use this butter gloss from NYX. I think this is Cookies. I'm going to use this Sugar Mama from their Strictly View. I'm going back to this Sleep Tease from NYX. I just need that lips too. I'm going to spray my face with this matte setting spray from NYX, and that will be it for this look. This look is about to go down, like everything is going to be washed out now, so why kill myself because of lashes? So I noticed there was no lashes. I had to put on my lashes, and I'm not feeling this lashes. One is going up and down. I don't know how you guys see it from there, but anyways, your girl is about to wash this out. I just filmed this look for someone out there to see. You can still play with just 2 shadows, bring out the shimmering shadows you have, work with it and achieve this. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Please you guys should help my channel, watch my videos, subscribe, and help your girl grow. We need to hit 1,000 by September, and I know you guys are out there watching me. I'm taking this channel serious, so please subscribe to my channel, be part of my family, encourage me to do more, guys. You guys, you know, you want me to cry? Anyways, see you guys in my next video. For now, I'll be uploading randomly, so when you see my video popping up on your phone, like, just know that it's me. I love you guys so much. Stay safe, stay blessed, wash your hands, be indoors, be active, learn makeup, do things you love, keep up with your loved ones, call them, you know, just take care of yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I see you and see you in my next video. Bye.